We are in Cotonou, Benin, and later we will visit the nearby capital city of Porto Novo. This statue is called the Benin Amazon. It was built to honor Benin's history as the Dahomey kingdom, and this is an Agode woman warrior.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
You can see how little the people are. This statue is huge. Let's go up close. Look at that blade. Cut me right in half. Walking around, I always draw a lot of attention, which doesn't bother me. These guys were all real friendly, and wanted a bunch of pictures together. They didn't realize at this time I'm taking a video. This is the outskirts of Dahomey Market, which is usually much busier, but since I'm here in the summertime, which is the rainy season in West Africa, it had been pouring for most of the morning. So the shops were just coming back to life. And pardon the absolutely terrible camera work as I spin around with people talking to me from several directions.
Camera.
A good way to end the day in Cotonou is along the Atlantic Ocean at the beach.
Energie variëme. Mama Hano. Energie even naar Tasa Dahomey.
Now off to the nearby capital city of Porto Novo. Among the highlights is this former royal palace that is now a museum, with most displays relating to the King Topha period.
The judge, they pronounce the sentence. He pronounce the sentence, quoi. If it's possible to sell you like slave,
Yeah.
slave, or to do
Kill him maybe.
kill him, do all what work in this kingdom. He is the slave.
Oh, you are done.
The slave who has to work day and night. And if it is this, is also the spirit of the deaf that made with this, like this. This is the town crier, someone who informs the population of the message of the king. This lady is de la cité.
Porto Novo is a
La seule
big center for
initiée
voodoo,
était
and yes,
autorisée
they did put snakes
à
on
faire
me.
partie de ce clan-là. Et leur rôle, c'est de gardien de la nuit. Place of voodoo dans l'eau. C'est la zone qu'on appelle la zone.
And it also has a large Christian and Muslim population.
Quand tu voulais parler en talent, ça va même encore tisser les liens. Oui, c'est de Yoruba, rien que de communauté. On est
One of my favorite things to do when traveling is to interact and spend time with the locals. My goal isn't to see the country, but to experience it.
See you.
They enjoyed seeing themselves, but those goats had no time for our shenanigans.
Au revoir.
Alright, King Tofar and I are signing out from Cotonou and Porto Novo. See you in the next video.
Now our government decided to build one museum of voodoo by this place.